They say that the northern leaders don't finally turn against Tinubu. No be small thing o. As it dey happen, they say that the Nigeria government are spending up to 500 million every time they bring Mazi NnamdiKanu to court. Things are happening. Tinubu don come outside o, come tell Nigerians make dem dey take baby step, that the baby step is the way forward. Finally, e don get the answer. Things are happening. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, please I want you to share this video because we get a lot of story to share for here today. As e dey hot, we quickly jump inside the matter wey we get for our hand today. He said that the Nigeria government say they are spending up to 500 million every time when they bring Mazi NnamdiKanu to court. I'm going to play the videos. May you hear them all, and before we come back, can continue.
Government is spending every day. NnamdiKanu 500 million. They told us they spend 500 million naira. Somebody is signing off that check. Somebody is signing it off. Who is signing off? Who is making money from it? Extra allowances are being paid to all the security men who are in Abuja because of NnamdiKanu. It's your money. And we have been saying the case of NnamdiKanu is not such that we need to spend scarce resources on. The federal government is spending about money. They don't have money, but they have all the money to pay all the security agencies. If you go outside, not less than 1,000 security agencies are on patrol in Abuja because of one single man. And tomorrow they will tell us they don't have money to pay salary of workers. So,
wonderful people, things are happening. Why people is crying of hunger? Why Nigeria government are busy spending 500 million for bringing Mazi NnamdiKanu for court each day? Things are happening. Nigerians, una don hear am o, una know where una money dey go. What they cry say the country hard o, na here they put the money. As that one dey happen, they say the northerners so don't cry, say this Tinubu government now wow, as e be like this, all of them go back to farm and they will do anything where they fit do. Make sure say this government no dey again o. I'll play the video before we come back and continue. No be small thing as that one dey happen. They say that the Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey be the federal republic Nigeria president he don come outside he come tell Nigeria say make una no worry, make una dey take baby step, everything is going to be fine o. Abeg watch this video from beginning to end, may you help me explain wetin Tinubu talk for this video.
Yes. The compare mentioned separation of powers. We have to eat and not flex muscles and power. We are here to show the principle of what we are as Nigerians, brothers and sisters living in the same house but sleeping in different rooms. And we are grateful to God for that, and we will continue to work for the unity, stability, and progress of our country. To all of you, I say thank you very much for the sustenance of democracy and the principles and yes, democracy is realized as the best option of governance for any nation, particularly those of us born into it, in a different form, different pattern, and the multilingual society. You watch on TV sometimes and they say, okay, 500 dialects in Nigeria. No one chooses it except God gave it to them. The family in which you are born, the course of education, the talent of this country is in our hands. You and I can not be ordinary expression of power. It can only be vision that is bold and clear on the path to sustainability. Our country is in need of us and change of mindset, so that as we plan for tomorrow, for our children and grandchildren, we could always look back with pride and say we've served the nation. And then sometimes this brings me about to even think of what is the essence of in our previous and present national anthem. But what is common there is about service. I will leave the rest of my thinking to the constitutional reviewers if there be a pathway to the meaning of any other part of it, other than what we have right now. But to all of you, I saw a fantastic colonel that seems to be straight. At the same time, if you look sideways, you see one being true. That's Nigeria. Crawling. For me, we are taking baby steps right now. But we are going to run fast to give our children and their inheritance a very promising tomorrow. And we are going to work together to do this. You are deeply committed to humanity. We were served dinner, or we went up to the queue. A long time I had justice is served, and sometimes they say justice is not served. How edible it is, I don't know. I was given a very good dinner, and I've enjoyed it. And I hope you have. We can work together. The economy has been challenging. The security situation is always panicky too. Nobody wants arms or any danger on his or her backyard. And no national leader will want to mortgage the future of their children. We are working hard. Yes, the bandits, just please uphold our resolve when we say kidnappers are terrorists and don't rule against us. That's the way we perceive them. That is the way we must treat them. And that is a fact that we are facing currently, unless we take very strong action against these people. They become cowardly, they have been degraded, they look for soft targets, they go to backyard of local schools, kidnap children and create disaffection. We must treat them equally as terrorists in order to really get rid of them. And I promise you, we're going to get rid of them. For review or no review as chief law officer still depending. We discussed it, we consulted. Mine to get the pen ready to sign. I've done my part. And I recognize one thing. This is most unrewarded responsibility is in the judiciary. We are yet to modernize equipment, modernize records in the judiciary. We are still crawling and working towards improvement. And then when you look at the career path of a judicial officer, they cannot practice their vocation from which they were trained after retirement. Well, the framers of the law and principle, they know reasons why they do that. So when innocent somebody like me will perceive it differently, you can't blame me. I have to see it from compensatory, fair angle that will be beneficial. And you can't say you fighting corruption and not put teeth into the spine. It's not the proper way to go. So, whatever comes, accept it as it is. We look at if you have further complaints. We look at the means of taxation and see if there's any amendments that we can make for any other improvement. I don't want you to have to sit long and pay for the dinner tonight at once. It is good that we share together. I don't teach many of you, I can't teach you the correct explanation of what we've just done. But fairness is part of your principle, philosophy, and sharing is part of what you put together, even in the practice of your own vocation. When you say, who's presiding over what, and form a committee to review. Thank you for serving Nigeria, and thank you for making the judiciary very proud and respected. So we continue to support one another and bring Nigeria to that glorious dawn. Thank you very much.
My wonderful people, welcome back. I beg for most of una wey help us understand. I beg drop your own understanding for inside comment section as e dey hot. Please share this video for more updates, because we dey here dey update you of things wey dey happen. Your own work na to share am and make sure say you dey follow the page to support us. Okay my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update. Know say as e be like this now, e don red for inside Nigeria, but the leaders dey try to dey do like say everything dey okay. So the northerners na dem dey cry come outside now, say they think say e go be like Buhari to them, but this one this one come better. Even Buhari sef come better pass am. However, share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as e dey hot.